but you kind of like, whoa, she's looking like shiny today. It's me. Hey kids, it's your girl Cutie back with another video, and today I'm vlogging my life, what I do on a daily basis. So right now I'm just setting up this behind the scenes of what my next video is. If you can't tell by the outfit, I ain't gonna tell you. But so far I got my other outfit that I'm gonna wear when I'm leaving the house. Yes, I'm leaving the house today to go grocery shopping with my mom. We'll probably pick up something from the store. Don't know yet. But what I'm gonna tell you guys, what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go and hydrate myself to make sure this face stays as pretty and shiny as it is. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat today, which is a smoothie. Well, that's the one thing my goal for 2020 is to eat more healthy and make sure our skin stay moist. And okay, kids, right now I got the blend out. I got my fruits, which I got raspberry, kiwi, this frozen orange juice, which you can put in your smoothies to help get grapes, like the big grapes that's seedless, and I got strawberries. Oh, don't forget the most important ingredient, a banana. I'm gonna be back when I finish cutting them all, so be right back. What a great way to energize by making a great smoothie. So now I want to take these stuff and add it to here. Don't forget to do a little bit of ice when you're adding to your smoothie. I only use a little bit at a time so I can have that real smoothie taste instead of that super icy kind. And now we blend on. There we go, kitties. What a way to start the day with a healthy breakfast, which is a smoothie, which has bananas, ice, fruit juice, which is orange juice, seedless grapes, and kiwi. Enjoy. Now let's go enjoy this before we have to leave to go to the store. So be right back, guys. Hey kids, it's your girl Cutie with another video. Today we're gonna be going on a shopping spree, or shop with me, as I like to say, because we're gonna go shopping, do what we got girls do all the time, which is shop till we drop. And oh look, I'm glowing today. No, it's makeup. I put makeup on today. I feel like doing something kind of like self-care. I'm usually the person to do that, but I just put some makeup on. I only put like natural, just foundation and then lipstick. That's it. Oh, and I also did some eyeshadow, which you can't tell because I put it like natural, but you kind of like, whoa, she's looking like shiny today. It's me. So I'm gonna take you guys a journey with me shopping. So I'll meet you guys while we're in the car. So be right back. Okay, kitties, we're in Joann's and we're shopping right now in the sewing department. We're here. My mom needs to get some stuff. I'm just here just shopping around. Talking to my kitties. You cook. I can't breathe in these things. Oh, I like a poncho. Oh, the hairs too. Might get those. What else we can shop around? Oh, I remember these ones. I'm still a kid at heart, so I like kitty things like Minnie Mouse. Also princesses, Wonder Woman, the Marvel universe. So which one do you guys like? Comment down below which universe you like. Do you like Marvel or the other one? I keep forgetting what it's called. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I like this one. I like the memes. So we're gonna be shopping for a bit. Oh, that's cute. Harry Potter. Aw, Home Sweet Home. I really like being here. Like Joann's is like my favorite store to shop at all times because it's fabric and there's a lot of color and there's a lot of fabric and a lot of soft things and stuff. So I'm really happy to be here. And Joann's is shopping. Right now my mom's getting cuts. I'll be right back. Look at this fabric, so cute. Oh, I love that fabric. Cute. I'm not of a blue person, but I would definitely wear this. Like, if I probably like have like a little cape as this, I would definitely wear that. And this is cute. These are so cute. Oh, so cute. I like these. If I could. I'm doing like a lot of. I have too much time. Yep. No? Nope. Stuff. I got a serger, I got my thread, I got fabric. Oh, I got scissors.
Yes.
What else I got?
I don't know.
Oh, measuring tape. But you never have too much threads, am I right, guys? It's so satisfying. Watch. ASMR. Thread some more. I know, I'm a child. Leave me alone. You came to my page to be childish. That's what I'm getting. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that dress is so cute. Okay, cute. Oh, those are nice. I'll show them around. Oh, we're trying to leave, cuties. I'll see you guys back in the car. Or see you guys back at home.
One long, angry line later.
Hello, Mr. Winkle. Hello, Mr. Winkle. You have better colors than mine, so more shiny. Yeah, unicorn. You're annoying. Shut up. My cousin, most sparkliest of all. I am.
Look at me. Oh, you got that door open.
It's cold in here. Haha, you suckers. Yeah, secrets. I am hurry. To be continued.
Much later.
Right now we're in Hobby Lobby. We're getting ribbon for my mom's project. And I'm just eye shop basically everything in the store I want. So, I want these. I want these. These. I also want that. I know, TikTok reference. Go follow my TikTok. I'm fun over there. And don't forget to like this video too. Like, share, and subscribe. Right now we're looking at trims. Ooh, tassels. Ooh, pillow cases. The pillow shop. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, cuties, I just want to quick and show off my outfit of the day, which I'm wearing my famous combat boots, as always, red denim jeans, my birthday load t-shirt, I look so cute, and my bulb jacket, which you will see in a video that's coming up real soon, so stay tuned on my channel for that. And don't forget my little ear pods, just to tie the outfit all together in one, which is my warm, cozy, cutie of the look. This is me, what I usually kind of wear, like, I'm going to go to the store real quick and buy some stuff, and then come back home and do my projects. Look. Which is very fashionable, as you can see. I just want to show this off real quick. I would add some jewelry, which I probably would add like my little golden necklace that has the moon on it, or my initials, and then put like rings on, but I have to go out real quick and go and get stuff. Oh, don't forget, I also did my makeup, my natural look, as always, because I don't really like to look heavy makeup, because then I feel like cake's like all slather on my face. So I just go with a little bit like foundation, a little eyeshadow, and lip gloss, and out the door. Nothing else, because I don't like all that stuff. Okay, cuties, we're back home, and I'm finally finished shopping. Well, I shop for me. My mom was the one that originally was shopping. I just like to shop sometimes. I like to buy a lot of stuff too. That's why I got a lot of stuff in my room. Oh shoot, I dropped my backpack. So I just want to say to you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you liked, and don't forget, tell me what you would like change my outfit of the day. Look, would you want to add something? Would you take away something? Or would you just like, in general, just take all of it and then add more stuff on top of it? Subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification to be notified when I post a video, and see you guys in the next video. Living to the best. I'm learning lessons. I'm also having fun being myself and being the new me. Well, adding the new me into it, so I'm happy with that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties. Mwah.